Hi, I'm Laura from SalesTarget.ai. Let me show you how our AI-powered platform is helping teams 3 times their revenue fast. You know the drill. Hours wasted, hunting leads, emails that never land, and a CRM that's more stress than support. It's costing you time and deals. That's where SalesTarget.ai comes in, an AI-powered platform designed to simplify your workflow and close more deals. Let's break it down. First, Lead Explorer uses AI to find verified leads that match your ideal buyer. Use smart filters and let our evergreen automation run 24/7 prospecting for you. Then, email marketing gives you unmatched deliverability. Connect unlimited email accounts from Gmail and other providers. We handle pre-warm-ups before your first campaign, and even post warm-ups while you're sending. So your emails always land in inboxes, not spam. We totally support cold email outreach. And with our Spintax-enabled template editor, every message feels personal and performs more effectively. And finally, our AI-based CRM organizes everything with smart workflows. It surfaces your hottest leads, recommends next actions, and even lets you call or SMS directly, so you're always a step ahead. SalesTarget.ai also offers LinkedIn automation to streamline outreach and grow your professional network. It boosts lead generation through smart targeting and personalized messaging. With SalesTarget.ai, you'll save hours every week, close more deals, and grow faster. Our customers have tripled their revenue, and you can too. Ready to see it in action? Sign up for your free trial at SalesTarget.ai. No credit card, no hassle, just smarter, AI-powered selling starting now.